Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are discussing about how to deploy machine learning or deep learning model in a cloud-based environment. For that, one of the basic is the Git. So today we are going to discuss about a Git account and how to deploy, how to install Git in your local laptop, then how to clone your repository from online to your local laptop or local machine. I would say take this scenario. Let us say there is a company and they are already developing a product or they are developing a model on machine learning. They have written the code and they need one new resource. Then you have joined the project. By the time you have joined the project, already they have written half of the code and they have stored it in a online, a place called GitHub. There is a website called github.com. They have saved it over there. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing is that now when you join the organization, you need to download that code to your local laptop, your local machine, and then you will start the coding. Now your other data scientists are also writing the code, and you are also writing the code. At the end of the day, both of your codes has to get merged, and it has to save it in the online repository online. And when you refresh it, you guys also has to get every day morning the updated code into your machine, so that this is how the real project goes on. Now before we go there, now you understood the logic, right? Now it is similar to Google Drive. Let us it is very similar to Google Drive, but try to understand in this way that in Google Drive we are storing the photos and videos and all, but in the GitHub or GitLab we will save only the code artifacts. We call it as artifacts or code only. Okay, so you need to download a software called Git actually. Okay, you just go to google.com. I'll show you from the beginning. Then download Git for Windows. Okay, then you get to Git SEM, then click on the Windows and go to 64-bit zip. Download this. While downloading it, make sure that you add it to the system path variable. That's the first step, right? And you need to have an account in github.com. There are two famous places where usually code is getting stored. The way Google Drive is famous for photos and videos. For coding, we have two popular websites. Okay, I'll show you that one. GitHub and GitLab. Okay, so this is how GitHub looks like, and this is how GitLab looks like. This is very famous and popular websites. So you go to GitHub and create an account over there. Okay, then if you go to GitHub and if you create an account, so go inside this website, create an account, just get it ready. Now I will share you this link. I will share you this code link, this repository link. This is a project for house price prediction. Okay, so I'll use this link. Once you click on the link, you will come over here, come to here code and click on the SSH and copy this link. Okay, copy this link. Now go to your desktop. Okay, go to your desktop and yeah, create a new folder. Create as here is created and name it as test 5. Okay, I am using Mac OS. This is called Mac OS. This could be a little different in your laptop. Right click on it and new terminal folder. I would like, okay, now I have it over here. Now what I can do is that if I give ls, there are no files over here, so it's coming blank. Git clone the link which you have copy pasted, type this and hit on enter. Okay, see now all the files are getting downloaded and everything got downloaded. Now that means you have downloaded the project to yours. Now if I give again ls now here, you would see one house price prediction folder got downloaded. Now I want to go inside the folder. Okay, now I am inside the folder. If I give ls, I'll get, there is a folder called code, data, docker file, image, readme and docker compose file. This is same as how you have seen it in the Safari earlier. Here you have seen this, right? So these are the folders. These are the folders that was downloaded to local folders. Now one more thing guys, if you are using Windows, the commands are slightly different. Whenever you found the command difference, go to ChatGPT and ask the question over there. I will show you there also. Okay, now if you go to ChatGPT, I will show you. There is a website called ChatGPT, very famous. Okay, you should know You should have complete grip over ChatGPT. If you see, I'm a real-time working data scientist. I will be working like hell on the ChatGPT like anything. I'll be completely on the ChatGPT. These are all my queries which I run in a given month. So now what I should do is that I am try. Okay, what is the command for seeing list of files in Windows machine in a folder? See, open command prompt, type dar and press enter. Okay, it is what's the command on Mac OS? ls. See, we have used ls command in the Mac. The similar command in the Windows is dar. Okay, right? So use that command. You can always ask ChatGPT, it will give you the comments. Okay, now you have downloaded the folder, and if I go inside the folder, if you go text file and go inside it, you will see house price prediction, this one. Now in your laptop, open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, click over here, open folder. Okay, go to desktop, then go to what is the test file, right? We have given test file. Yeah, go inside it and click this folder and click open. Right, now you see all these files inside here. Right, now if you want to look any file, just click on app.py. This is the file, this is the code they have written. Okay, so my partner has written this code, my colleague has written this code. Now I have to add some lines over here. Okay, if you see over here, the moment I change something, see one green line is coming over here. If I write ht.write, I am adding one more line over here. Okay, to write thanks for using me or something, using me. Okay, and if I press Ctrl save, it is coming into green color, it is turning into green color, and it is saying you have modified this. If you can see in it is blank till now, you just modified. Now you have not completed the changes. These are the changes I have made. Or if I created a new file here, which is something called hello.py. Okay, and I said print this is the best channel to write to learn. This is the best channel to learn. Okay, Control save. Now I have made these two changes to my code. So the moment I have here, if you see one dot over here, but it is not there for data folder, it is not there for any files. That means you have made some changes. Again, if you go inside, if you click on the app.py, it is showing as m over here. That means you have modified something in this file. Okay, that is the way it is showing here. Now I wanted to delete this also. I wanted to delete this line. So if I delete this line, then also it will show over here. See, it will say I have deleted one line. Okay, so like this way I can see what are the changes I have made. Okay, now I have made the changes. I created a new file. Since I have created a new file over here, I got a U symbol over here. Right, now I have to make the changes and I have to upload it to the online repository. Okay, now come here, click on terminal, click on new terminal. Okay, now first you do git add space dot. Okay, this way first you are, now this file changed it. Earlier it was U, now it turned into A. Okay, now next thing you do is that git commit -m. Now you have to write the narration what you have changed, so other people should understand, right? I created new file called hello and modified app.py and close this one. Now what happened, if you see now, the moment you give the git commit command, okay, git commit. Now what happened, created a new file called hello and modified app.py. This is the comment I have given. Who is the committer? This is my id from this laptop, my MacBook. Now second thing is that I have changed two files I have changed, and it says one deletion, etc. Okay, now you have add commit. Now git pull, you do git pull, so that if others have made changes, that also you should get. Whenever you do git pull, okay, you get a command called already up to date. Then you do git push. Okay, git push. Now in the git push is the final command where the code is getting pushed to the online actually. Okay, now writing objects 5 out of 5, total delta, remote resolve delta, everything. Now everything got uploaded. Now let us see whether it is working really in the online or not. So if I go to online, okay, go to this folder again and click refresh button once. Okay, now if you go to code folder inside, see, just now I committed. What is which file? This is the file I have committed. Created a new file called hello and a modified app.py. If I go inside, you can see a file called hello.py. Okay, and I also modified app.py, right? See, I have changed thanks for using me at deleted online. So this is how you download, you update, and you will push it to the online. So this is I tried to keep this video very simple and very minimum. If you have any doubts, please write in the comments or do some research on the internet. You will get clarified. So the only problem you will face is that you will forget to adding the git to system paths variable. That also you can easily do if you refer some internet online. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I am going to show you Docker.